And I'm missing iela something. I have to check that later. And staircase 37 to 72. There's no ninth floor. Actually, there is no second floor, but the floor number is from 1 to 8, but the elevator just stops at the second floor. Serial number is 4018615 or 007301. Also 320 kilograms. Ground floor. Is built by Tiff North and maintained by also now describe this. Eighth floor. Fortunately, only the coal stations have been replaced, but otherwise this elevator is completely original. Unfortunately, at room iela 32 and one elevator is broken. At staircase 37 to 72, and I have to try it later. But all buildings here are locked off, but I may get inside. That's